There are some chapters where you need to be alone. It's just part of the experience. So, before we go any further, hi everybody, my name is Salimah, yoga therapist, and welcome to Kundalini Yoga. There is a Kundalini Yoga practice for just about everything. And today we're talking about loneliness, because from time to time, we all go through that experience. Whether by choice, needing to self-isolate, or needing to do that to settle your nervous system. And other times it's by circumstance. A relationship has ended. You're moved to a new place. You have a new job. And all of that's going to introduce this idea of loneliness. And so let's navigate that with the help of Kundalini Yoga. And let's also normalize that from time to time, we do need to be alone, okay? So that's what we're going to talk about today. And I welcome all those feelings. In fact, allow yourself to welcome all the feelings of what that means. When you're alone, do you feel isolated? Do you feel unloved? Do you feel that, wish it could be another way? Totally normal. Or does aloneness signal to you safety? Does it mean, okay, finally I get to do all the things I want to do? And maybe it's about control, an ability to navigate all that you're going through at your own pace because you are navigating it on your own. Let's talk about how to create a connection that is about our own higher self, our future self, and the universe itself. So that's the practice. I invite you to come into it. If you found this to be interesting so far, settle in. Let's do a little bit of work here so that you could really embrace this experience and use it for what it's meant to be. Time where you get to decide what it is you want to do and how you want to do it. We're going to calm down the nervous system. We're going to breathe through it. We're going to chant through it. And we're going to find our heart space, okay? So as you press your palms together, bring your thumbs into the bone of your chest. And as you do that, make a connection with your heart space. That's the place of connection. It's not your mind, it's not the body necessarily, but it's in the heart space, our energetic heart. And as you radiate from this place, as you breathe into your heart space, consider the expansion. Consider how you could expand. Is that with a color, breathing in the color green, exhaling the color green? Imagining yourself drawing in your breath from your heart space. How does that feel? And exhaling. Inhale very deeply and let's tune in. Om Namo Gurudev Namo Om Namo Gurudev Last one. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Inhale very deeply. And exhale completely. Setting your intentions for today's practice, feeling yourself in this moment, reaching for comfort, reaching for support, reaching for affirmation that this time is necessary and it is happening. So let's not fight it. Bring both hands into Gyan Mudra, first finger and thumb to touch, and then relaxing that down on the table in front of you or down by your sides or on your knees if you're sitting. If you're walking, you can listen to this meditation and really enjoy the rhythm and the pace of the mantra we're going to use, and you can keep your hands in this posture as well. So a mudra is a posture, and mantra is a way of tuning up our nervous system. It sends a message, broadcasts a message out into the universe and brings it back. And that's what we're focusing on. The mantra today is Ang Sang Waheguru. Spirit is alive in every cell of my body. This is in the sacred language of Gurmukhi, and it is an opportunity to feel connected. Not on a human level, on a macro level. So close your eyes, find your spine very straight, and here is the mantra. Ang Sang Waheguru. 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 Inhale very deeply. Exhale completely. Inhale. And exhale. Press your palms together at the center of your chest. Inhale. And we close with a long Sat short Nam. Sat Nam. Please ground yourself. Bring your forehead and your palms to the ground, or your fingertips to your forehead, grounding the energy of today's practice and noticing what came up along the way. How did that feel internally? What was confirmed? What did the sound vibration offer your heart? That is the infinite one that we were calling on. And a really powerful way to comfort yourself, to find connection, and to know that everything is working out the way that it needs to. So here's my ask, is a program that I run called Harmony Within. And Harmony Within is a weekly check-in. We have community circles every week, Wednesdays at 12 o'clock Eastern, and we talk about this juicy stuff. What do we do with the alone times? What do we do with the times where we need to self-soothe? What do we do, and how do we do it? And what are the brilliant ways that other people have found to make meaning and purpose out of these lonely or alone moments? That's the place that would be a really great fit for you. So if you've been thinking about how to structure your spiritual journey, create some accountability so you're not just going down rabbit holes and trying and stopping and starting, and that you actually have a mentor who's going to be there regularly to support, Harmony Within is a really good way to go. And if you want to work one-to-one, we can do that too. It's called Soul Compass Coaching. And I'm here for you. We'll talk about all the things and we'll put a plan together so that you can move forward. Lots of love to you. My name is Salimah, yoga therapist. Signing off for now.